If you're trying to play Machine Party and it keeps crashing on Steam, well, in this video I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. First things first, open up your Steam right over here, click on Library, right click on your game, click Properties, Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause the Machine Party that keeps on crashing. Now as you can see, it is loading up and fixing any files that might be affecting the issue. Now wait for it to finish. Once it finishes though, this is what it should look like. All files successfully validated. Now once done, go ahead and close that out and relaunch your game. Now if that doesn't work and the error still persists, what I recommend is basically click on Library once more, right click on your game, hover up to manage, browse local files right over here, and it'll open up the executable file for your game. Click on it, and then right click on it. As you can see, it is the application type. Go to properties. This window will pop up. Click compatibility, and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Is both checked on. Click on OK and apply. Okay, apply and OK. Sorry about that. And then close it out and relaunch your game. Now basically that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.